I have KRUGER Matz Live 7. Let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select here the settings. From the following list, let's choose the system, select here reset options and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's start reset apps. And that's it, the operation is completed. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.